Gold prices. We had a decent push to the upside last week, right? Where the price bottomed out, which we noted the double bottom down here. We took out that neckline, had a little bit of pullback, and it was drawn into the next area of liquidity at 4,200. Obviously, this was on markets dropping the probability of rate hikes, especially in July, but this has picked up again. It went down as low as 70%. Now it's back up to 24.1%. The key this week, let's keep an eye on these meeting minutes. Well, say let's. I'm definitely keeping an eye on the meeting minutes. I want to understand. Obviously, we've had this new governor coming in, Kevin Warsh. How in sync is everybody else with his views? That's going to be very important. See how in sync the FOMC are with the idea of these potential rate hikes coming, because that's how he positioned it. There's no cuts coming. How many hikes are potentially on the cards? So we want to really understand that meeting minutes. For gold, look, it's similar to a lot of the other dollar-related structures still holding at the moment. You know, we could still pull back a little bit further, but the structure's holding where dips are expected to be bought and just really be drawn and looking. Personally, I'm just waiting. I'm taking this as a pinch of salt. I would like to see last week's, we have eclipsed last week's highs, but I would like to see the price pulling back a little bit further, ideally, for some shorts. Obviously, this could still be a lower high now, but I think there may be room to squeeze a little bit higher in towards this gap area here, potentially into 4,300, 4,250. But I wouldn't be backing the longs. I'd be waiting. I'm just looking for confirmation of the shorts. Right now, structure's still intact. We're still holding. So for me, I would like to see a resumption to the downside, but it's a case of just going through the motions at the moment, allowing this pullback and then waiting for the markets to present itself. Okay, waiting for the market to present itself and confirm that we've got this new higher low. Okay, we haven't got confirmation yet. So just enjoy this pullback. But at some point, I think the sales are going to come into play and we're going to be drawn back to this area of liquidity 4K, 3.9K as we were calling, right? We were calling this. I said it's a big area. It needs to take something to break out. But then eventually, if this does break out, guys, it's going to be a big drop down towards 3.5, 3.3K, as I've said before. For ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, and keeping on tune when I'm looking to personally short, obviously not financial advice, but just giving my macro view and my technical view, my years of the game. You can get ongoing analysis and access to all of that via the KenMacro desk for life. Get that for free, in addition to all my education materials via our sponsor broker link below, either Star Trader or Blueberry Markets. Check that out. If you have any questions, shoot us a DM, shoot me a DM, Real Ken Shigpo, or you can just get access to the KenMacro desk via the subscription service below as well. Other than that, catch you next update.